What's up, Vechain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. My friend, in this video, I'm talking about the Vechain, the latest update, the latest news. What's going on? What's surprise change occurred in the Vechain? In this video, we are going to discuss. So keep watching this video complete. And before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. So guys, first of all, if we talk about the price change, so you can see here that now the last 1 hour, the last one day, the both changes is going positive, my friends. So if these changes is positive, if the latest changes occurs in the Vechain is positive, so this means that Vechain holders is now in the profit, my friends. So absolutely, I know it's a profit time. Celebrate it and enjoy, my friends. The change is positive. And my friends, you know what, I believe that after a long term fast they start pumping, so they continue this pump for a long time, possibilities for 1 week, for 2 week, maybe for 1 month. That's my personally prediction, that's my personally opinion about Vechain, my friends. Remember that you have to just hold, my friends. Let's see the price chart for more news and updates. My friends, you know what, in the start of today, in the start of the Vechain price start pumping, but unfortunately after some passage of time the price falls down, and I would still, the situation is not going good, my friends. But anyways, just hold, my friends. Absolutely, they have to take a huge pump in this month. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.